Let no one think for one moment that the wisdom of this world will stake any chance whatsoever in the world to come. The wisest of men is like foolishness in the eyes of God. The strength of man or the power of the world would mean nothing. You speak of a nuclear age, that is like a little firecracker. We speak of this enormous power that man has discovered, the nuclear age. Can you compare that to this kind of a power? That you can stop time and everything stands still? And then you change the motivation of the frozen world and then release the world that you froze, and it executes your change command. Do you know of any power comparable to that? Freeze the entire world, and time stands still, and you change the motivation, and then release the frozen world. And once more it becomes reanimated. All from within you. You don't do it on the outside. You freeze it, and you actually feel it stand still within you. So I started off by telling you all things exist in the human imagination. And one day you'll stand still, and the whole thing will stand still. And then, having changed the motivation, you simply release it. And it will move under compulsion, believing it wants to do it. Even the most horrible thing in the world, if that's what you did. But you will not have this power until you are first, I would say, embraced and incorporated into the body of love. Because with this power, not motivated by love, what horrible things you could do in this world. You will never possess this power until you're embraced and incorporated into the body of love. You will stand before infinite love, and it's man. It is the risen Lord. And when you answer in the words of Paul, faith, hope, and love, but the greatest of these is love. Love embraces you, and love sends you